Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Your nice teacher Mrs. Shumaila Asif here. Students, there are different objects in different sizes around you. Some are big and some are small. Today we are comparing which is bigger and which is smaller. So open book page number 11 and 12. Write date and date. So let's start now. Students, this is an example question. You can see there are two balls in different size. Okay, A ball is big and B ball is small. Question is pick the smaller ball. So here we will comparing between two balls. So which ball is bigger in size and which ball is smaller in size. So put tick here. Ball B. Ball B is smaller than ball A. So you will write in this way. Ball A is bigger than ball B and ball B is smaller than ball A. So keep remember these spellings bigger and smaller. Students, now open book page number 11. Write date. Today is April 14, 2021 on your left hand side. On your right hand side, write day. Today is Wednesday and this is your classwork. Question is color the object which is smaller one, do color blue, and color the object bigger in size, do color red. Part A question, you can see same object in unequal size. So which is bigger? So do color red. So this is bigger in size. So do color here red. Okay, other bucket is smaller in size. Do color blue. Now you can read in this way. Blue bucket is smaller than bucket red and bucket red is bigger than bucket blue. Rest of these questions you will try to solve yourself. Students, now open book page number 12. Write date on your left hand side April 14, 2021. Write day Wednesday on your right hand side. And this is your classwork. Write bigger and smaller. You can see part A is already done. Here we are comparing between two objects, which is bigger and which is smaller in size. You have to write spelling here. So you can read in this way. Helicopter is smaller than an aeroplane and an aeroplane is bigger than helicopter. Okay, now we are going to write part B question. There are two objects in different size. So right here, parachute is bigger than balloon. So you have to write spelling of bigger. And a balloon is smaller than parachute. So write spelling here smaller. So you have to complete this question number C and D yourself. Otherwise, we will complete in Zoom class. Students, I hope all of you have understood. Remember these spellings, bigger and smaller. See you in Zoom class. Take care. Till then, Allah Hafiz.